with one hand. Give me. Go. Attempt. That's 2 stabbed in. Last time it was much more. With 2 hands, I can easily do it.
No. Careful.
So happy.
I have a gun.
Where are you going?
One snowball shall die. This snowball shall die. This is Glenn's head in The Walking Dead.
So intense. So manly. It's perfect the way it is. Oh! Why'd you do that? Hi, Miha.
I got a nice layer of ice. From your haircut.
Oh. Guys, make sure to talk loud so the camera can hear you.
She said I have hair in my ears. Not anymore, you don't. Me, a dog.
This is my house now.
What the heck, Oli? That's not okay.
It's very icy in here.
I'm doing it on your face now.
Some wheels.
Ah!
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
I got one for you too.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay, let's get going.
No, I can't move with my camera on my wheel. No, you can't take my camera.
I have to though.
I'll just watch you guys with your wheels.
Wait, let's go. We're wheeling. Oh no.
What are you doing? That's not how you
I
wheel.
give up.
What?
Don't give up. You have very
Harmony, don't go. There's only so much I can zoom in.
too late. See that? That's a pet.
Where are you? Oh no! You should be sorry. Why are you guys going up there? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming up too, so I need to like...
Come on. Okay.
Oh gosh, can you hold my camera?
Yeah. Look at her.
Oh, my hand's so cold.
Yeah. It's so cold. Hi, Mia. Hey.
Jack.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Cola.
Hey.
Mama Jack.
Really?
Cola.
Can I have a bite?
I want to die. Class in 6th grade, and our Spanish teacher got so triggered.
Who? What?
Hola, mi llamo Jack.
Hi! Little baby Puckle.
I'm grabbing your leg
Why are you doing this?
to be able to get up.
Great job. Which would be funny too.
Yeah. Right in the middle.